Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding the equation of a parallel line. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. Before we go on to solve the question, let's understand how we find the equation of a parallel line. First, let's see when lines are parallel, slopes are equal. So that means if we have two parallel lines, their slopes will be equal. Now what we do is we are given a line equation, that is 2x minus 4y equals to negative 3. First we convert this equation in the slope intercept form, y equals to mx plus c. Whatever is the slope of the given equation will be the slope of the line which is parallel to it, because when lines are parallel, slopes are equal. And then we are given a set of points, that is negative 2 and negative 5. To find out the equation of the line, we'll be using the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, where y1 and x1 are the coordinates given in the question. Using these principles, let's solve the question. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line, and the equation is 2x minus 4y equals to negative 3, going through negative 2 and negative 5. So what we'll be doing first, our first step is to convert the equation, that is 2x minus 4y, in the slope intercept form. So what do we do? We subtract 2x on both sides, because you have to take the x term on the other side. So this portion becomes 0. Now we are left with negative 4y equals to negative 2x minus 3. We want the coefficient of y to be 1, so we divide by negative 4 on both sides, and let's see what we get. Now negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1. Y equals to negative 2 divided by negative 4 is a positive 1 half of x minus 3 fourths. Now comparing this to the slope intercept form, we get m equals to 1 half. Now we have the slope as 1 half, and the point given are x1 equals to negative 2 and y1 equals to negative 5. Now using our slope intercept form, we will find out the equation of the line parallel to it. So we do y minus y1 is negative 5 equals to 1 half is the slope, x minus x1 is a negative 2. So y negative times negative is a positive equals to 1 half of x plus 2. Again, negative times negative is a positive. So we open up the parentheses on the right using the distributive law. 1 half of x plus half times 2 is 1. Now we move the 5 to the other side by subtracting 5 on both sides, is equals to half of x plus 1 minus 5. So plus 5 and minus 5 becomes 0. Y equals to 1 half of x, a positive 1 minus 5 is a negative 4. So this is our final answer of a line parallel to the given line and can be seen in option C. For better understanding, let's try another question. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line, that is 2x minus 3y equals to 4, going through negative 5 and negative 2. So let's write the equation first. 2x minus 3y equals to 4. We'll be putting this equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c. So for that we subtract 2x on both sides. The very first step is a negative 2x plus 4. This becomes 0 and we are left with negative 3y equals to negative 2x plus 4. Now we have to make the coefficient of negative 3y, this coefficient to be 1. So negative 3 divided by negative 3y equals to negative 2 divided by negative 3x plus 4 divided by negative 3. This becomes 1. Y equals to 2/3 of x minus 4/3. Therefore m equals to 2/3. x1 equals to negative 5 and y1 equals to negative 2. So now using the formula, y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So we have y plus 2, negative times negative is a positive, equals to 2/3 of x plus 5, because again negative times negative is a positive. So we apply the distributive law, y plus 2 equals to 2/3 of x plus 10/3. So we subtract 2 on both sides. Y equals to 2/3 of x plus 10/3 minus 2. So when we solve this, we get the final answer to be 2/3 of x plus 4/3. So our final answer is y equals to 2/3 of x plus 4/3. This is the final answer and can be seen in option D. Let's try out the next question. Find the equation of the line parallel to the line y plus 1 equals to negative 3x minus 2 going through 1 and negative 3. So let's write down the question. So we put in the standard form first, negative 3x plus 6. We take the 1 on the other side, y equals to negative 3x plus 5. From here m equals to negative 3, and going through point x1 is 1 and y1 is negative 3. So now equation of the line would be y minus y1. Slope would be negative 3 because when lines are parallel, slopes are equal. X minus x1. Y plus 3 equals to negative 3x plus 3. So now we move this 3 to the right hand side. For that we need to subtract 3 from both sides. So this is what we get. A positive 3 minus 3 is 0. So y equals to negative 3x, only because this 3 minus 3 also is 0. So the equation of the line parallel to the given line is equals y equals to negative 3x. This can be seen in option C, which is the correct answer. I hope finding the equation of the parallel line is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.